You know, next year is our 60th anniversary as an institution, and we're unveiling today the 60th anniversary Capital Campaign.
With an ambitious effort to raise $30 million by 2017, University of Guam President Dr. Robert Underwood says the campus is celebrating the Triton spirit with the rollout of their 60th anniversary master plan. Students, alumni, educators, island officials, and Lieutenant Governor Ray Tenorio came together at the UOG Fieldhouse for a special presentation on what's planned for the Manilao Education Economic Zone and within the campus grounds. Underwood explains a sports complex, underground infrastructure, a student service center, and upgrades to other buildings are just a glimpse of what's to come.
There are some plans today that have been unveiled that are just mind-blowing in terms of how we have reconceptualized the 21st century campus for the University of Guam.
While celebrating an extensive list of generous donors, UOG also unveiled its new logo, the Big G. Underwood says he hopes it takes off as they evolve the 21st century campus.
It will be our logo throughout the 60th anniversary and hopefully for many years beyond. I think that every young person on the island is going to want a G on their vehicle.
As part of their 60th anniversary preparations, UOG Development and Alumni Affairs Director Norman Analista says they will be conducting the first ever UOG alumni reunion on November 15th at the Hyatt. Calling it a friend-raiser, not a fundraiser, the event will have speed networking, an epic fashion show from the 50s to present, and the launch of the Triton Privileges program.
And we feel that it's important to host a friend-raiser because now this is our opportunity to wrap our arms around our alumni and call them back home and ask them for their support.
Since its origins as the Territorial College of Guam in 1952, Underwood hopes the community supports the many good changes to come with UOG's 60th anniversary capital campaign.
Viva UOG!